Hi everyone, I am Kirill Kirkov and today we're going to learn how to install PHP on your Windows machine using WAMP. WAMP is a great solution that comes with everything you need to get started with PHP, Apache, MySQL, and PHP. Let's dive in. Step 1. Download WAMP first. Head over to the WAMP website at wampserver.com and click on the Downloads link. From there, you'll see the latest version of WAMP. Click the Windows download link and save the .x file to your computer. Step 2. Install WAMP. Once you have the .x file, double-click it to start the installation process. Follow the on-screen instructions to install WAMP on your machine. You'll be asked to choose a location to install WAMP, so choose a location that's easy to remember. I'm going to install mine in my C drive. Step 3. Start WAMP. Once the installation is complete, you can start WAMP by clicking the icon on your desktop. You should see a WAMP icon in your system tray. Right-click on the icon and select Start All Services. This will start the Apache and MySQL services, which we'll need to run PHP. Step 4. Test PHP. Now that WAMP is running, we can test PHP to make sure everything is working. Open your web browser and type localhost into the address bar. You should see a WAMP welcome page. From there, click on the PHP info link. If everything is set up correctly, you should see a page displaying information about your PHP installation. Step 5. Create your first PHP script. Now that we've confirmed that PHP is working, let's create our first PHP script. Open your text editor, can be a notepad, and create a new file. Type the following code into the file. Save the file as hello.php in your WAMP www folder. Now, open your web browser and type localhost/hello.php into the address bar. You should see the message, Hello World, displayed in your browser. And that's it. You've successfully installed PHP on your Windows machine using WAMP. From here, you can start building dynamic websites and web applications.